What's up, you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my backyard oasis. Once again, I am back at my outdoor kegerator. I got the Heineken tap, I got the Miller Lite tap, and you know what? I'm bringing you guys a super useful skill. If you're a kegerator owner or you're about to buy your first kegerator, this is the video for you. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button to support the video. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the video. And also, you guys, if you're interested in following my videos, welcome back to all of my subscribers. It's so great to see you guys back for another video. But if this is your first time here on the It's Jbunny channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a brand new video. Okay, you guys, let's jump right into it. Today's video is super useful and super fun and quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean out your kegerator, clean out all of the beer lines, making it fresh and brand sparkling new, so that when you guys go to purchase your brand new keg, you guys are going to have the crispest, freshest tasting beer because all of your beer lines are going to be super clean. Let me break it down for you. You guys can easily pick this stuff up on Amazon. I'll link all of the cleaning supplies down below. Whew, it is so freaking hot outside today, by the way. It is like cloudy but super muggy. I'm here in Miami, Florida, and I don't know if you guys can see me like sweating, but yeah, it is freaking hot. So you're going to need this little tube cleaner that attaches right to your cleaner solution bottle. You're also going to need the Kegerator cleaning solution. You do not want to use soap and water. You definitely want to use this solution. So definitely, if you run out of this, make sure you pick some up. You're going to need your little scrubber brush right here. This is very useful for cleaning the nozzle part of your taps. You're also going to need your little Kegerator wrench. This way you can clean the metal part of the tap and easily remove it from your kegerator. And you're also going to need this little pin. This helps to allow the water to flow freely through your tubes and opens up the beer valve for you guys down inside the bottom of the kegerator. You're going to want to have a little container right here. I'm going to show you guys what this is used for later. You're also going to need some hot water. I have my sink right over here, so don't worry, I have easy access to that. And then down below over here, I have a drip bucket. You're definitely going to need a bucket so that when the solution comes through the lines, it has somewhere to go. All right, you guys, so first things first, I'm going to simply add 2 tablespoons of my cleaning solution right here, right into my cleaning container. And then I'm going to fill this with water. And I'm just going to fill it all the way up to the top. So look, you guys, you can see it turns blue. Okay, and just like that, we have our cleaning solution ready. I'm definitely going to stir this around, make sure this all gets dissolved, but just put this to the side for right now. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is take this tube and adhere it to the top of your cleaning solution bottle. Give it a tap, swirl it around, and make sure all of that cleaning solution is definitely dissolved. So what I'm going to do first, I have a double kegerator. So I have 2 lines. I'm going to disconnect the CO2 line so that you don't get any water into the CO2 line. Okay, and it comes off just like that. The next thing you want to do is, I told you guys about having a bucket. This is my nasty work bucket. I am simply going to drop off the end of my beer coupler into the end of that bucket. So now the next thing you're going to need is your little wrench. What you're going to do is you're going to take this little faucet wrench and insert it into the holes that are on your tap. And what you're going to want to remember on a tap is it's actually righty loosey, lefty tighty. So it's the opposite of what you normally do. And it's as easy as that. You simply unscrew it and it comes right off just like that. So I'm gonna do this here on the second tap. You can see I insert the end right into the hole. Righty loosey, so I turn clockwise to loosen it. And then it comes right off just like that. Ew, you guys, and just to show you, this is why you take these off, because, whoa, I got some nasty buildup in there. We're gonna clean that part off too. I'm gonna show you guys that. You definitely don't wanna be drinking that in your next beer. The next step is you're going to take this little silver part right here. This is gonna connect directly to your tap. Screw it in. Remember, lefty tighty, so I'm just going to use the attachment that's attached to the keg and tighten that up. Okay, and then you're going to have your solution all set up. This is my European tap right here, and this is my American tap. I'm going to go ahead and put the pin right in the American tap. I'm going to put both in the bucket just like that, so that whichever line this solution comes out of, it's going to drip into the bucket. And so the next thing you want to do is you just tip your bottle upside down. And yeah, you guys, it's as easy as that. Okay, you guys, all empty, all in the bucket. Time for our next step. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do is open up my cleaning bottle. And I'm going to rinse this bottle out really good. Rinse the tube out. I don't want any cleaning solution inside of this, because what I'm going to now be doing is rinsing the cleaning solution out from the lines, because we obviously don't want to be drinking any cleaning solution. So I'm going to fill this bottle up just with water. You can see it's not blue, so it doesn't have any cleaning solution in it. I'm going to connect this top, and we're going to connect this back to the kegerator in the same way that we did before for the cleaning line, and we're going to flush just like we did with the cleaning solution. We're going to flush water through our lines. So now we're all set. I still have the pin in my same coupler, and I'm going to tip it over with the water just like I did before with the cleaning solution. And you hear that drip drop? It's cleaning out. So I'm going to do this 2 times for each line to make sure they're nice and fresh. And yeah, you guys, check back in for the final steps. We are almost there. The next thing we're gonna do is clean our tap handle. Look how freaking nasty that thing is. You're going to unscrew the tap from the top. Just put this to the side. Then you're going to unscrew this little piece. Remember that container I told you to have ready before? Just go ahead and drop this little piece in. Now you're going to unscrew the next piece. Going to push down on this button. This piece comes out. Take the washers off so that they get cleaned. Remember, white washer is going to go on the bottom, black on the top. This should pop all the way out, and then you're left with just this piece right here. So this is freaking nasty, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and take that nastiness off with a napkin first. I'm going to take some of our cleaning solution, pour it right in our little container, and then I'm going to fill the container up with water, and I'm going to stir this around. And yeah, you guys, I'm going to let this sit for like 20 minutes. And you know what, while I go along the way, feel free to take your cleaning brush, go in and out of all the crevices on your tap, and this is really going to help get any stuck grit and grime off. And so yeah, you guys, just leave this soaking for 20 minutes. I'm going to do this for the other tap right now in a separate container, come back in 20 minutes, rinse them off, and show you guys how to reassemble. It's been about 20 minutes. I have my handy dandy cleaner brush. I'm simply going to take all the pieces, use the scrubber brush, scrub in and out with the water on, rinse these out really good, and then put them to the side so that we can reassemble. Now it's time to put everything back together. Super easy breezy. You're gonna go ahead and take this first largest part, and then you're going to take this piece that looks like a little lamp post that has a hole on the bottom. And so you can see right here that there's a hole. You're going to insert this in the larger end. You're gonna want that hole to be lined up just like that, and then this will be flush with the top just as it was before. Also, you guys can see on the other end it has the little square piece. Next thing you're gonna put in is the tap handle, and that square peg fits right into the square hole just like that. Then you're going to put the white washer on, then you're going to put the black washer on. Okay, then you're going to take this metal large washer type piece and screw that right on. And then the final piece you want to put on is this topsy-turvy type piece that screws right on as well. And then you're going to take your tap handle of choice. I found this one on Amazon, by the way. I went ahead and linked this tap handle along with all of your favorite beer's tap handles down below. You just turn that, spin it right on, and you are completely reassembled. The last part, of course, is reattaching this to your keg. Remember, it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. It should go on easily just like that, and then you take your wrench and just tighten that right up. And that's it, you guys. Completely reassembled, ready to go. And yeah, let me do this to the Heineken tap. Okay, you guys, so that's it for today's tutorial on how to clean a kegerator. I hope I explained every single tip to you guys.
A few moments later.
Whew, wow, you guys, that was quite the workload. I had to come inside. I had filmed an outro outside, and I came inside and I saw that I had like mascara down my eyes, lipstick on my teeth. I was sweaty as fuck. It was crazy, humid, a lot of work, but my kegerators are sparkling clean head to toe. The tubes are like absolutely immaculate, no yellow beer in there, totally clean. The tops, I showed you guys that little white mucus that was like kind of on the inside of the tap. I mean, I have my kegerator outside. It's an outdoor kegerator, so totally that can happen. Now that it's completely clean, completely sterilized, and you know what? Following the simple steps and having the correct tools was absolutely essential to getting the job done. It would be literally impossible without the kegerator cleaning kit. Once again, make sure you pick up that kegerator cleaning kit. It literally works like nothing else. You will not be able to clean your kegerator without it, and I don't even know how you would continue to use a kegerator without it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you learned a lot. Let me know, did you follow this video to clean your own kegerator, and was it helpful? Also, you guys, comment down below what other videos you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, you guys, thanks so much for joining me for another video. I had a really great time today. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you back on my next video. Peace.